Bangladesh capital of Dhaka experienced Kal Boishakhi storm accompanied by hails Sunday night. City temperature has reduced substantially following the non-stop rain, with the forecast of 4-night long rainy weather all over the country. Bangladesh Meteorological Department BMD said rain along with storm is likely to from Monday till mid-May all over the country, Khulna and Rajshahi divisions in particular. However, the rainfall in Dhaka was recorded at 36 mm and Srimongol recorded the maximum rainfall of 124 mm on Sunday. The wind speed was 59 km per hour.
এক দুই তিন ঢাকায় জমি জিতে নিন 100% ক্যাশব্যাক সহ 20 কোটি টাকার পুরস্কার।